welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a wire template for a customer. And in another video later, I will show you how to save a wire transfer in your system with using these wire templates. And this will be for record keeping purposes. Now let's go to customers and find the customer who you'd like to create a wire template for, and double click on the customer. Now, once this form appears, on the menu tabs here, click on Wire Template and click on New Template. Notice how there's a template ID that will be required. For the name of this template, we're going to say this is going to be a template for Sally's brother's account, who is in Canada. Here is just an indication of the customer ID that this template is linked to. Now this is where you enter the bank information of the beneficiary. And once complete, you may also validate the IBAN number. So just as an example, I'm going to use this number here. Just as a side note here, the bank address does not need to match the recipient address. They can be in different cities and that'll be completely okay. Now once this is all filled in and everything looks good to go, just click on Save. And you will see this wire template saved in Sally's portfolio here. And it will be easier to use in the future when doing a wire transfer. In the next video, I will show you how to use this wire template to send a wire transfer, and we will see how much easier that will become. See you in the next video.